Hey, welcome back to Great Day. You know, your windows don't have to cause you a headache. Expensive energy bills, poor installation, outdated windows can all be things of the past. Our Lakeside Renovation and Design partner has a solution for you, Matthew Jennings. He is the Vice President of Operations, and he joins us now. Hello, Matthew. How are you?
Good, Kent. Thanks for having me on.
You bet. Those are some good-looking windows behind you here. What are we looking at?
That they are. They're the Infinity by Marvin fiberglass replacement window. We're quite proud to have been chosen to be the exclusive distributor of them in the St. Louis market. They're a fully fiberglass window, and we look forward to installing them in as many homes in this market because of how great they are as we can.
Why is it so important that they're fiberglass? You mentioned that, and I don't think a lot of people think about what their windows are made of necessarily.
Speaking from being a millennial, it seems like one of those items that we forget about very easily, or we're not worried about them being on the lower spectrum of cost, but really it's a hole in your home that gets filled with a frame and glass. And this Infinity by Marvin window is a fiberglass window, and when we say fiberglass, there's a couple options when we look at windows. It's going to be vinyl, wood, or some sort of wood composite window. And the climate of St. Louis is extremely hot and humid to extremely cold and bitter. What that means is a lot of those other products, they have a level of expansion and contraction. Fiberglass is going to have a very low expansion and contraction. It actually is right at or a little bit lower than the expansion and contraction of the glass itself. So it's a very stable, strong product that isn't going to expand and contract in the seasons and allow there to be air penetration or effects of the weather inside of that protected space of our home.
And add a lot of value to our home as well. Matt, thank you so much. You can get more information on Lakeside Renovation and Design by calling 636-978-5000 or find them on the web at lakesiderd.com.